Espresso. Espresso is a concentrated coffee drink made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans under high pressure. It originated in Italy in the early 20th century and became the foundation for many popular coffee drinks around the world. Unlike regular brewed coffee, espresso has a thicker texture, stronger flavor, and a layer of golden crema on top created during the extraction process. It is usually served in a small cup and is enjoyed both on its own and as the base for many other coffee styles. Americano. Americano is a coffee drink made by adding hot water to a shot or two of espresso. It was popularized during World War II when American soldiers in Europe added water to espresso, because they preferred a milder coffee similar to what they drank at home. The result is a lighter drink with the rich flavor of espresso, but a larger volume and smoother taste. It is a simple choice for people who enjoy the depth of espresso without the intensity of a small shot. Cappuccino. Cappuccino is a traditional Italian coffee made with equal parts espresso, steamed milk and milk foam. Its name comes from the Capuchin monks, whose brown robes were said to resemble the color of the drink. The balance between strong coffee, creamy milk, and airy foam gives cappuccino its distinct texture and flavor. It is often enjoyed in the morning, and remains one of the most recognizable coffee drinks worldwide. Latte. Latte is a smooth coffee drink made with espresso and a larger amount of steamed milk, topped with a thin layer of milk foam. The word latte comes from the Italian phrase café latte, meaning coffee with milk. Compared with cappuccino, latte has a softer coffee taste because of the higher milk ratio. Its creamy texture and ability to pair well with different flavors have made it one of the most popular café drinks. Flat white. Flat white is a coffee drink made with espresso and finely textured steamed milk with very little foam. It originated in Australia and New Zealand, where cafés developed their own style of milk-based coffee. The drink has a stronger coffee flavor than a latte because it usually contains less milk while keeping a smooth, velvety texture. It is popular among people who want a balance between the intensity of espresso and the creaminess of milk. Mocha. Mocha is a coffee drink that combines espresso, steamed milk and chocolate. It is inspired by the historic coffee trade from the port city of Mocha in Yemen, which was once famous for its coffee beans with naturally chocolate-like flavors. Modern mocha drinks often include cocoa or chocolate syrup, creating a dessert-like coffee experience. It is a favorite for those who enjoy the combination of rich coffee and sweet chocolate. Macchiato. Macchiato is an espresso drink with a small amount of milk added to soften its strong flavor. The name means marked or stained in Italian because the espresso is marked with a small amount of milk foam. Traditional macchiato keeps the bold taste of espresso while adding a touch of creaminess. Modern versions, especially in large coffee chains, can be much sweeter and contain more milk, creating a different style of drink. Cold brew. Cold brew is a coffee drink made by steeping coarsely ground coffee beans in cold water for many hours. Unlike iced coffee, which is usually brewed hot and then chilled, cold brew uses a slow extraction process that creates a smoother and less acidic flavor. It became especially popular in modern cafés because of its refreshing taste and ability to be served over ice. Many people enjoy it as a strong but smooth alternative to traditional hot coffee. Iced coffee. Iced coffee is regular brewed coffee that is cooled and served over ice, often with milk, cream, or sweeteners. It is a simple and refreshing way to enjoy coffee, especially in warmer climates. Different regions prepare iced coffee in their own ways, but the basic idea remains the same: a familiar coffee flavor served cold. It continues to be one of the most common café choices during summer months. Frappuccino. Frappuccino is a blended coffee drink made with coffee, milk, ice, and flavorings. The name became widely known through Starbucks, where the drink was developed into a popular frozen beverage category. Unlike traditional coffee drinks, frappuccinos have a thicker, smoothie-like texture and are often topped with whipped cream or additional flavors. They appeal to people who enjoy coffee combined with a sweeter and more dessert-like experience. Cortado. Cortado is a Spanish coffee drink made by mixing espresso with an equal amount of warm milk. The milk reduces the sharpness of the espresso while keeping its strong coffee character. The name comes from the Spanish word meaning cut, referring to how the milk cuts through the intensity of the coffee. It is usually served in a small glass and is appreciated for its simple balance between coffee and milk. Irish coffee. Irish coffee is a drink that combines hot coffee, Irish whiskey, sugar and a layer of cream on top. It was created in Ireland in the 1940s and became known internationally as a warm and comforting coffee cocktail. The drink blends the bitterness of coffee with the sweetness of sugar, the richness of cream, and the warmth of whiskey. It is often enjoyed as an after-dinner drink or during colder seasons.